All right, in this video, I want to go over 4 easy steps to trading Forex as a beginner. And I'm just making this video in case there's anybody out there that's kind of like I was when I first started, a little bit confused about the whole process. I had traded options and stocks, so I think that's probably what confused me the most because things are done a little different when it comes to trading Forex. So real quick, we're going to go over these 4 very quick steps and I hope it helped you guys. So step number 1 is to open your brokerage account and download MT4. Now, the brokerage account or the broker is the account that you set up that holds your money that actually houses your account. MT4 is MetaTrader 4. It's nothing more than a shell that connects to your broker account. And once you connect that to your broker account, then all of your information like your payment amount, not payment amount, but your balance or whatever money that you choose to deposit into your broker account will be available in this platform MT4, which stands for MetaTrader 4. And then you will be able to buy and sell and analyze charts all through MT4. Now the chart data and like I said, your account information will feed from your broker account. Now the broker we use is Trader's Way. As you can see on the screen, this is tradersway.com, tradersway.com, and you would need to click on private office at the top, which is not showing. It's above this screen right here. It's not showing on the screen, but it just says, it's a button that says private office, and you would create your account. Now, after you create your account, or even before you create your account, you want to at some point download MT4. Okay. Now, again, MT4 is the platform that you will use, or the shell that you would use to do all of your trading, but it will be connected to the Trader's Way account. Now remember, MT4 is not owned by Trader's Way. You know, if you're trading stocks or options, you would trade with that broker's platform. Well, MT4 is not owned by Trader's Way. It's just a third-party software that everybody uses. So of course that means you have to be very careful and very cautious when you're placing your trades because there could be a little bit of manipulation going on. So anyway, download MT4, just go through the prompts to set it up, and then create your Trader's Way account or vice versa. Now after you have downloaded MT4 and created your Trader's Way account, you will be granted access to the back office. This is how the back office looks. All right. Now you can create a demo account by clicking this button and it will give you the credentials. It'll give you your credentials, or you can just go ahead and create a live account and it would also give you your live account credentials. Now what I do is I create, when I create an account, I do use an ECN. You can read about those, and then I do set my leverage to 1 to 1,000, meaning for every $1 I have in the account, I want to trade as if I have $1,000 in the account, which can be a little risky because that means you can also blow your account a little quicker. But if you use the proper money management strategies and techniques, then you should be okay. But that'll take a little while. If you're brand new to this, that'll take a little while to get used to. And the minimum amount that you can deposit is $10 into the account, and you would click on deposit, and then we'll get into one of those steps in just a minute, the deposit steps. But this is how you create your account and log into MT4. I'm sorry, get the credentials to log into MT4. All right, step number 2 is deposit your funds. Now again, like we mentioned, you will deposit your funds by clicking on that deposit button, and it is going to give you a huge list of different options. One of the options I use is Coinbase. Coinbase is the website where you sign up and you purchase Bitcoin, and once you purchase the Bitcoin, you can transfer the Bitcoin over to Trader's Way, your Trader's Way account. They also have some other options if you don't want to do it that way, but I just prefer doing it through Coinbase.com because I know that I can purchase those Bitcoins and transfer those Bitcoins over. All right, and as you can see on the screen, these are your different options. You can transfer in Bitcoin. You can use your credit card or debit card via VLoad. I have used this option before in the past, and they also have these other options right here, but you do have to go through a third party for the most part. Okay, step number 3. Open MT4 after you have downloaded MT4 from Trader's Way, and then you want to log into your account. Okay, what I have on the screen now is I have a snapshot of Trader's Way. Well, the Trader's Way account, as you can see here, but this platform that you're looking at is MT4. So this is the MetaTrader's platform. And what you want to do once you open this platform, you may not have a chart up here or anything because again, it won't be connected. But you will just click over here and you will right click on accounts and you will go to log into trade account, and you would input your credentials that you were given from your Trader's Way account. All right. Also, I forgot to mention that when you go through the prompts of creating your Trader's Way account, then you will need to make sure that your account is verified. So they may make you go through some steps, some additional steps, verification steps, just to make sure that you're legitimate. All right, so let's look at the next step here, which is analyze the chart and choose your pair, and you're going to pretty much buy or sell at this point. So just as a quick recap, you open up your brokerage account, you download MT4, you deposit your funds, and then once you open up your MT4 account, you're going to log into your account through the MT4 platform, and then now we're going to look at analyzing charts or deciding what we want to trade. So at this point, here's my MT4 platform. I've logged into my Trader's Way account, and you can see, well, what you can't see is that up under this window right here, there is a balance section. All right. The balance section just has the amount of money that I've deposited into this account, which this account currently has an older balance. But along this side right here, you should see symbols. And if you don't see symbols, you need to take a look at these buttons or play around with these buttons so you can figure out what it means. Like, for example, I click this button, that goes away. I click it again, it comes back. Well, these are my symbols. You may not have all the symbols here showing or all the currency pairs, but if you don't, you can right click and go to show all, and it will show you all of the currency pairs. Mine is currently set to all. You just can't see it because the scroll button here. So once you locate the currency pair you want to trade, Euro USD is very popular. You right click and you're going to go to chart window. Okay, the chart window is going to show you this particular chart window right here, and then what you would need to do from here is you can edit your chart by right clicking. You can actually research this on your own, and you can go to properties and you can change different things about the chart, like you could take away the grid and different things like that, and then change the color. Here you can change it to a candlestick chart, and then you can zoom in just a little bit. Right now it's on a 1 hour chart. You can right click, go to properties, and you can actually change that background color. I like to keep mine on white for the most part sometimes. All right, and then you can go here and change this to blue. Bull candle, let's change this to blue. Let's change the bar down to, let's just say red, and a bear candle, change it to red. All right. All right, so now from this point, you want to analyze your chart. So let's say that I think this is going down, and what you can't see is you cannot see the full. Actually, let's go over here. Let me do this for you. Let me scroll this over so I can get all the chart. Okay. So you can see this is the current chart right here. This is where we are right here today, 11/1/2020. All right, so if I wanted to place a buy order because I thought this was going up, then that's what I would do. I would place a buy order. And if I thought it was going down, I would place a sell order for the most part. All right, so we would go here, and I'm moving this around so you guys can see it. Go to new order. And I just say this was going up. Now 0.01, you would need to look up lot sizes on your own, watch a few videos on that. 0.01 represents 10 cents per pip or per move. So if this goes from 1640 to 1641, if it goes up 1 pip, then that would be 10 cents that I've gained. If I set this to 0.10, that would be $1. All right, let's go here and go to buy. All right, so now I am in a buy position on this account. All right, it's a live account. I just use this for demo purposes for the most part. But you can see here that I bought right here at this point right here. All right, so we placed our order, and you see here the type of order we placed was a buy. The size was the 0.01, which represents 10 cents per pip symbol, Euro USD. The price in which we entered into the buy position, 1.16407. This is our stop loss and take profit. The stop loss would be an area in which we want to close the trade out if the trade begins to lose money. So if I said the trade would come down here, I would double click on this section right here and place a stop loss. Let's just say we wanted to get out of the trade, or we did not want the trade to go past 380. We would place a stop loss right here to protect ourselves. The take profit is the opposite. Let's say we wanted to take profit when the trade went up here to 42. We would place our take profit, and if you hover over that take profit, it tells you that it would the profit would be 13 cents, and this is the current price. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Also, be sure to check the description and the links below and leave a comment if you guys have any questions or need to know any other strategies or details surrounding how to trade as a beginner.